Hey YouTube, I'm too lazy to make actual videos, so I'm just making little clips now. Today I'll be carjacking a jet ski because
Yeah, it's very entertaining quality content right here.
yeah, it's entertaining content right here. See it do. I like the camera like the taggy, but not really. It's a bit slow on the game. This will actually be my longest video of
Bridge.
unturned. Actually, that's how long this might take.
My God.
We're not. I'm trying to get into my biz. Not our base technically. The bread factory. That's what I named it. I'm hoping it's
Yes.
not gonna go in the dead zone.
Instead of putting my fridge next to the sink, I put it next to the guns.
For that little space you don't have. I hope you put your guns in the fridge because they're that hot.
Yes.
To cool them down. Or you can put a woman in there or something like this.
I gotta put Selena in my fridge.
Yes. Who's Selena? We don't know. I don't know. I don't know her. We won't explain
I
concept.
added I added a second fridge. This is the freezer.
Why the hell do you need two fridge?
This is the freezer for the extra hot car. I mean cars? Oh yes, I'll shove a car in my freezer.
There, chuck the jet ski in the freezer. I'm trying to eat this thing for the camera. No, I do not have the skill to make it go into orbit. That's dumb.
I told her to please come here. She says she can't do that. I'm lonely. The only thing here is my guns.
What about me? I exist. I make you grilled cheesies.
You're
I'm carjacking a jet ski.
yeah, you're doing that.
Yes, it's the same jet ski I spun around in. No, don't go in the water, please. No water. You do not want to go in the water. You want to go on land.
Playing Big Iron.
I feel like I copyrighted. I actually like the
Imagine.
sound it's bad.
This one tree.
Oh, that's a big one.
This one tree has to go.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, this one tree has to go.
I hope BGM sees this video and this is what convinces him to play Unturned. This is what convinces him. Not like gameplay or anything. This stupid dumb stuff. Damn carjacking, damn jet ski online. Put it in my garage. My car garage.
I'm thirsty. You drink all the water. What's wrong with you?
I only drink one water. I never get
You drink all the water.
I only drink one.
How is the lake salty? Is my question.
You have enough medications to just drink salt water and not die.
But that doesn't give a lot though.
Still.
Halfway.
Imagine if I start recording and then I got like a super rare drop. I would love that, right?
Yeah. Oh yes, this is the perfect song.
It's currently stuck on the tree. Yeet. Silly chipsy.
She told me that empty rooms are supposed to stay empty. I'm crying.
Bro, we have to kill it.
Why are women so mean?
Because they're women. If they don't have their morning cuddles, they're gonna kill you. Probably, I don't know.
Feels
They
heartbroken.
My poor son. I'm not explaining context. Oh, big eats.
That's a portable generator. Why do we have so many portable generators?
To make a big one, I guess. Like, there's an industrial generator. There's like 7 of them. but no one has the time or resources to make them. Well, we don't have the resources. We can like craft them if we had like a bunch of gas cans, but like, you know, we use most of our gas cans on the industrials.
I like how we have so much storage, but mostly all of this is empty.
Me? Yeah, I do. A lot of storage.
It's empty. We need to fill up the space with stuff. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, like we were focused on building it. Now it's for the fun part, the hoarding part.
That birch tree that goes through my room wall is bothering so much. It needs to go.
You want me to do the same thing I did to the other tree?
Yes, please.
Sure, I'll do it.
I'm about to scrap this. I'm about to scrap this Devil's Bane.
Nice, Devil's Bane.
Can I scrap that?
If you want, okay. I'm outside the base, by the way. I'm not joking.
You are?
Yes. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap!
What did you do?
It went up to this. It went up all the way near. It nearly went on top of a tree.
You just cut the tree down.
Welcome to your new home. What do we name it?
I don't know.
I'll
put it by the window, though. Oh yeah, next to Terry. Harry the platypus.
Harry the platypus?
Harry the platypus.
I don't know how the hell we're gonna make it be like in a good position.
Just shove it on Terry.
Let Terry go.
Terry wants a friend. Can you hear this music?
Oh no, sadly don't have the mod. Eurobeat though, I can hear Eurobeat. And I don't think it's copyrighted, so let's go.
I don't think it's copyrightable.
Most of my videos with them aren't copyrighted. I don't think I should get my videos copyrighted because I don't think YouTube will like show them. That's only I don't know.
But... God. Ah, yes. The only time I will listen to country music is during Unturned.
Well, this is like weird alternate reality, isn't it? I think it just blew up. Like, just blew up from hitting the ceiling or something stupid.
What's its health at?
65. It's not the end. Why?
Still has battery.
Bro.
Putting it in the fridge.
I should lock it.
God, what was I making? I was making something out of metal, but I forgot.
It's really stuck here, you know.
Really?
No, that works.
Oh yes, you bumped it with your head. Good job.
What? It got stuck on the ceiling for a second. BGM, I hope you watch this video, and this is what convinces you to play Unturned. I hope. Imagine if someone blew this up, so then it counted like as like they use it as rating. I want to go over like in this corner over here.
Uh-oh.
Should we name this one Barry or something? Or Larry?
Barry, yeah, Barry for color. So. Yeah, because he's purple.
Oh my god, perfect.
Oh my god.
Jetski.
Imagine if someone just peeked into like our base from the garage, be like, "What the hell is this?"